Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a new developer on the channel to check out, and she's giving away 3 watch faces. Now it's for the US, but if you just so happen to get your name called, we're gonna hit her back and see if she can send us one for whatever country that gets chosen. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get this review started. Welcome back to another video, and I know it's time to get back on the Monday grind, but as I told you, it's going to be a-okay. Just continue to grind hard and it will be over with soon. Trust me. All right, you all, we got a new developer to take a look at, and she has some very nice, very unique looking watch faces that I'm thinking you're going to like. Now, the name of the developer, she goes by the name of Elisa Wetzel. Now, her creation is very nice. It stands out, and this one here is called Color Tile. Now, what I like about this watch face is that it has a window type of theme look, right? Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a black and white theme. You're going to get the same information as you would when the watch face is on. Now, what I like about it is it gives you everything on step status. You get info on floors climbed, your battery percentage, you get miles walked around, you get your step info, you get your heart rate, and you get information on calories burned, along with your digital time and the date. So you pretty much get everything that anybody can ever want to need on the watch face, right? Also, what I like about this is that you can customize the color theme of this, right? And it's nice. You double tap, very nice. Go through some of them, I like that the best. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you a look at what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I think she did a really good job. What do you think? Don't forget to hit me in the comment section below because I would love your thoughts on all 3 of these watch faces. Now let's move on and check out watch face number 2. This one is called Tictique, right? Very nice, unique name for a watch face, but I'm liking the style. I'm loving the uniqueness of this watch face. Now, in the always on mode, what I really like about this is that they just didn't blacken it out. They added some colors to make it stand out in the always on mode, which brings about some uniqueness in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a nice color selection. I'm loving the background that kind of brings everything forward so far, the color and the design of this watch face. Now, you kind of get your analog watch face that's kind of off center. You get the name of the watch face to the left of it, battery info to the right of it, and then you get, of course, your day, your month, and your date, and you get digital time as well, which brings you the best of both worlds, which I love. Now, what I do like about this is that it is interactive. I can tap here and get my calendar, and I can tap here and I can get my battery status info, which is very nice. Now, what I like about this is you got 5 color combinations you can customize, right? The double tap. Let's try that again, double tap. And you can get different colors to kind of go with whatever you got going on. And the colors are very nice, I must add. You get 5 in all. Let's check them all out. Tell me what you think. Hit me in the comment section below. I'm liking this. I like where the developer went with this, so I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. What do you think? Hit me in the comment down below. Let me know how many thumbs up you give this developer for this particular watch face. Let's go on and check out watch face number 3. Well, last but not least, number 3. Now, number 3 is called Round Around Shadow. Now, this one is nice. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a black and white theme, which is nice because it makes the numbers stand out, so it's very legible. Now, when the watch face is on, now you get a very, very unique way to tell time. So if you look at the top, you're going to get your month and your date. You come all the way down to the bottom. You're going to get your heart rate info. You go over to your right, you're going to get your step status info. And on the other side to your left, you're going to get your battery info, right? So let's tap on it. Let's see what it brings us. Now, you can go deep off into your step status, get that. Also for your heart rate. So I like the interactiveness to this one, and I like the placement. Kind of put it in all 4 corners of the watch face. Now, as to how you tell time, this one right here where you see the 9, that's going to be an hour. And this little symbol right there you're going to see is your minutes. And of course, you can see the second hand at the top going around the bezel of the watch. Not bad at all. I like how they blended that within the actual watch itself. Looks really nice. Now, let's double tap on the center. And we can change the background theme of this. You see that? Not bad at all. Let's do it again. See what we get. So you get some different designs. So I'm liking what the developer brought to the table with this one. Very unique watch face. Very different. I don't know, guys. You tell me. You like this one? You're going to download it? Oh, what? All right, you all. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very informative. If it was, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your Monday grind. Remember, you got to grind hard. You got to grind hard. All right, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.